Come, let's start the topic cell. Today we are going to talk about the total overview about the cell. Okay, how do you think what is cell? Do you think this is of different types and you all are found in your own body? Do you really think like that? That your cell, your body, how the picture memorize in your mind, how the picture is appearing in your mind. What do you think? What is a cell? Can you assume the cell is of different types in your own body at same time? Can you think, do you think that your cell is composed of lots of materials? How do you think? What is a cell? How do you think the cell look like? Can you think really or not? If you think really, then this video is only for you. Yes, absolutely. Okay, come to the main part that we are going to discuss with you, and that is very important to understand the basic concept of cell in your mind perfectly. If you think that cell is a living creature, if you think the cell is a non-living creature that makes up your body, if you think that different types of cells make your one body, your body organization, if you think, okay, do let me know in the comment section that how do you think the cell is it? What do you think really about the cell? It is actually look like a special structures, special organization, or what? Do let me know. Okay, now here we can discuss more and more about the cell. First, learn something about that what is eukaryotic cell. Can you think what is eukaryotic cell? Please tell me the answer if you know, and if you don't know, if you think, then I think that you are curious too to know about the more about the cell. Sorry for the noise. And if you are curious about to know about, if you are curious to know that definitely what is cell, then please continue this video. You definitely understand that what is actually a cell. Okay, do you know what kind of cells in our body have? Neurons. Do you even think neuron cells, nephron? These are all the kind of cells in which your body are made up and your body is organized. Today we are talking only about the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. First, understand the two basic differences between the prokaryotic cell and the eukaryotic cell. When you are ready to know all the differences between the prokaryotic and eukaryotic, then we will understand the different types, different kinds of cells in our body, and how the kinds, you can also understand the cell is made up of which type of compositions. cell is made up of the different compositions, and what the compositions make it help in, and how this and how that composition help in the entire body functions to make you alive. So all other efforts are taken beyond to make your life surviving. Do you imagine how your life is actually surviving? And if you don't know, then must sure you know the little things that put a lot of efforts to make you surviving. Your inner body is also doing a lot of efforts in the every second of your life to make you alive. So do not waste your life as it is. Do not sit like a dump. Your every life, every second of your life you are surviving just because behind a lot of efforts your every second of your life you are surviving. There's a great role of lot of efforts behind your life is to make you surviving. Someone is doing your body is doing all the functions. Firstly your body makes everything to get capable that all should do functions well and very timely. In the inner body, these are the efforts aside, and your outer body, there are a lot of members in your family members, your friends and relatives that put down the efforts to make you survive well, and all the comfort level, all other things. These are the basic things. So why I connect all these terms to your life? Because this connectivity is very necessary. When we are talking something like we understand, we are getting involved in it, but something we don't understand, we couldn't able to understand, we are just very gradually we are cutted from there, and that's why connectivity is very necessary to get involved in something. And the reason why are you involving still here, because you are connected my point also, isn't? If you are not connecting my point, I'm not able to make you understand. If I'm not able to make you understand, then why should you still there? That's also the point. So here it is very necessary to connect the terms. If you understand something, please connect all the terms. Think and use it like a puzzle game, and make a scrapbook of your own world in your mind, and just put all these scraps and join them all, that what's the matter, what's going on, and this way you can learn, so you can understand well. This way you can learn very perfectly, very finely, and very interestingly, that you will never get bored from this way of learning. So these are all the ways that you can connect with your study. What are you studying? These all are the ways. So connections is very necessary. come to the topic of cell. First we will understand prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic is called the primitive cell, that you can say, and eukaryotic cell, eu means true, karyon means nucleus, a cell having true nucleus. And what is the sense here? True means that proper, well designed nucleus in where cytoplasm is separated. Okay, here nucleus is separated from the cytoplasm, you can say. Okay, so here is a one square or rounded structure, whatever you can say. Okay, not a specific, you can draw a circle, you can draw a square, but it is a section like that, your brick of your wall and your building. Okay. Okay, a small brick, you can also think and imagine like that, a small brick of your whole building act as a cell, a unit of your whole life. Correct? Can you connect it? If you are connecting, then very good. Let's come ahead. Let's come and understand our further points. And okay, your body is a kind of eukaryotic cell. Okay. First understand, these are all the kinds. Your body is, you are a kind from the eukaryotic cell, and the eukaryotic cell is and in the eukaryotic cell, nucleus is well designed and well separated from the cytoplasm of a cell, and here is no cell wall. In eukaryotic cell is also of two types, that is plant cell and animal cells. So we are not plants, we are not a category in plants, we are humans. Okay, and human is considered as animal cell. So in animal cell, eukaryotic cell, if we are talking about the eukaryotic cell in animal cell, then you can say that nucleus is different. Nucleus is separated from the cytoplasm of the cell, and out of the nucleus, the boundary of the nucleus is surrounded with the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, and some endoplasmic reticulum is present there outside the nucleus somewhere, and some ribosomes are attached with it. Where the endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes are present in all of the cell, just like spread it all over the cell, and some ribosomes are present on endoplasmic reticulum, and some endoplasmic reticulum have do not present some ribosomes are not present in on the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum. So that you can say that endoplasmic reticulum having ribosomes you can call rough endoplasmic reticulum, and some endoplasmic reticulum have some ribosomes are not present on the endoplasmic reticulum, that you can say smooth endoplasmic reticulum. And nucleus is also present inside the nucleus. Can you imagine? Nucleus is so little, and the more little nucleolus present in the nucleus. So that way you can imagine the whole cell, your formation of body, organization of your whole body, or composition, the way you can think like that your body is evolving, and whatever and all. So in eukaryotic cell of animal cell, there is no cell wall, only the plasma membrane or the cell membrane, you can say. This is the cell envelope, and the things which are found in the cytoplasm of the cell. You can say the cell organelles, you can say it. And protoplast is also there, centriole, centriosome. These are all the kinds. Microtubules, microfilaments. You can say nucleoplasm. Nucleoplasm is the term which is found in nucleus, just like cytoplasma found outside the nucleus in the cell, bounded by the cell. And cytoplasm is a two kind, sol and gel. Where something jelly, where the cytoplasm is jelly type like, you can say ectoplasm. And you can see the sol type cytoplasm in the cytoplasm area. You can say that area or part endoplasm, and if you are found gel like area in the cytoplasm, you can say the ectoplasm. This way, nucleoplasm plus cytoplasm is equal to protoplasm. You can say like that, cytoplasm plus nucleoplasm is called protoplasm. Means altogetherly nucleoplasm plus cytoplasm. Nucleoplasm, where we found nucleoplasm? In the nucleus. And cytoplasm outside the nucleus, surrounded by the cell. Correct? Connect hua? So do you connecting? So both cytoplasm and nucleoplasm, you can say protoplasm is there. Correct? One more thing you can understand well, that every steps in the every phase of you are learning life sciences, and in the every phase, every steps, if they are combining, if they are happen some ways or any ways, you can say that there is a specific name of it, and don't be confused over there that what is that type of word, or what is that type of things that it can that it will come. Just have patience, gradually by learning you can understand, you can connect all the things. Correct? Okay, come, let's start the next things we have to need it, and that is endomembrane. So what is endomembrane? Endomembrane, you can say endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, vacuoles. Okay. And cytoskeletal structure, you can say microfilament, intermediate filaments, microtubules, cilia and flagella. About the nucleus, you have to learn about nucleolus, nucleoplasm, nuclear membrane and chromosome. The very basic but important, you can combinedly say fundamental concepts of your body, and that is chromosome inside the nucleus, compiled by the cell. Okay, so what is hyaloplasm? Cytoplasm, the area in cytoplasm where cell organelles are present, and their water, acids, ions are present. The surface, just like a crystal area, you can say hyaloplasm. In the cytoplasm, the area where having cell organelles, and it looks like water acids, ions, and it's look the surface crystal clear. You can say that area hyaloplasm. What is the cytoplasmic organelles? The organelles attached in the cytoplasm. You can say cytoplasmic organelles. Metabolically inactive component. You can say it's present like a reserve food. Reserve food, three types you can say. Metabolically inactive component is of three types. You can firstly say reserve food, excretory products, and secretory products. First one, in reserve food, you will say that carbohydrates, fats. Excretory products, alkaloids, gums, resins. Secretory products, you can say enzymes. So these are all the basic overall concept of the cell. Now you can understand that everything about the eukaryotic cell. In our next video, we can understand that what is prokaryotic cell, and then after we can understand, then after we can connect that what kinds of cells in our body present, so that you can easily understand and connect all the terms that what are the cell and what are the kinds and of its types. Thank you for watching the video. If you actually learn something and know something about the cell, please hit the like button to, and if you want to connect with us, please subscribe our channel, and if you want the notification every time our video make you learn, then you should to you should push bell button for the notification. Hope you enjoyed. We'll do better for the next time. We'll do better in next video. Thank you for joining till last.